Yeah. So, hello everyone, and today we are doing the interview activity, and our first candidate is Mr. Lalit. So, hello Lalit.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Tell me something about yourself.
I'm Lalit. I from in Patharia Hart. I study in Patharia Hart. I am rich people, middle class people, and I am good. I am studying in Patharia Hart. My dream is work in Indian Air Force. So I want to be officer. That's why I I am I am topper in 10th class. So so I choose subject in 11th class maths. So I am study in 11th class and I am good.
What is your greatest strength?
My greatest strength my father, because my
Hmm. कनेक्शन गायब हो गया क्या?
I am I am greatest
Hmm.
power of my father.
Hmm. What motivates you?
I motivates my dream
Hmm.
and Sandeep Maheshwani.
Okay. What?
My dream is I am
Sandeep.
I
Hmm. Okay. What's your dream job? What is your dream
my
job?
dream job. I want to be officer and
Hmm.
I want to be business. I want to be businessman
Hmm.
because business is very important today.
Hmm.
Government job
Hmm.
meet impossible because
Hmm.
because there many people's many people's many people's
Okay, why do
are
you want to have job? Why do you want to do this job?
because my dream is I want to be officer. That's why I want to be dream this job.
Okay, so what is your salary expectation from this job?
My s- my salary this job in 25,000 to 15,000.
Okay, yeah, thank you. Good day.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, who's next? Hmm. I'm looking to Subham. Okay, yeah, please unmute yourself. Yeah, so hello Subham.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, so tell me something about yourself.
I am Swarm. My father name is Bhagwan Das Airbar. He was a builder, and my mother name is Ramrani Airbar. He was she is housewife. My family member in I have four brother and one sister. I'm studying. I'm studying in IGC Engineering, IGC Indira Gandhi Engineering College, Sagar. My
Hmm.
branch is EC Electronic Communication, and
Hmm.
I'm my my semester sorry, my semester is a second year.
Hmm. Okay. What is your strength? Greatest strength?
My greatest strength is my family because कॉल आ रहा है कॉल एक मिनट कॉल आ रहा है कॉल काट दे
Hmm.
my greatest strength my family because family we can do anything from family
Hmm.
and we support my family
Hmm.
and my family is bigger
Hmm.
many people in my family.
Hmm. Okay.
Next,
Okay. Why do you want to have this job?
this job is my this is job my dream because I want to need this job.
Okay.
This job हिंदी में हम कुछ मीनिंग पूछ सकते हैं आपसे?
No.
Okay, this
Hmm.
this my dream. This job need I want to do
Hmm.
need job because this job is a this all this job fulfill my 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 dream
Hmm.
and this job is
Okay. What motivates you?
I motivate my father because
Hmm.
next question next
Hmm.
next
Okay. What is your weakness?
my weakness is my mobile. True.
Okay. So why should I choose you this job?
Th- uh, this job we help other people and we give we give we give no, give other people knowledge. We can give other people knowledge and okay, I have
Okay. Okay. What is your salary expectation?
my salary expectation is my quality and my work and
Hmm.
my ability
Okay.
and my education.
Okay. Hmm. Good. Yeah, Mr. Sakar Hussain Saab, are you ready? Next. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Anjali, are you ready? Hello. Anjali and Jagesari. Who is ready?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Open your camera, beta.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, good. So, are you ready for interview?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So, your first question is that what? Tell me something about yourself.
Okay, sir.
Hmm.
Hello. My name is Azlodi, and I live in Gonsra. I recently passed BSc first year,
Hmm.
and my mother name is Anita Lodi, and my father's name is Chandrasekhar Lodi. There are 5 members in my family.
Okay. What is your strength?
My greatest strength is my mother because very hard worker and very struggle in your life.
Hmm. Okay. Good. Yeah. And what is your dream job?
My dream job staff nurse because this is good.
Okay. What is your weakness?
My weakness is
Hmm.
my weakness is I am very angry.
Don't laugh. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Why do you want to have this job?
This is this job my dream
Okay.
because because
Hmm.
because सर कुछ पूछ सकती
No.
सर तो नहीं आ रहा।
Okay. Ask. Okay.
ये क्वेश्चन नहीं मिल रहा था क्यों कहना चाहती हैं इसमें क्या हुआ?
Yeah. I tell you after that. Okay. Okay. After the class. Okay. What is your salary expectation?
My my salary is my expectation
Hmm.
30,000 to 50,000.
Hmm. Okay. Okay. So, how much would you like to spend time in this job?
I
Huh.
I would like to
Hmm.
spend 6 hours 6 hours.
How much would you like to give time in this job?
How much?
Yeah.
I would like to
Hmm. Okay. Thank you. Hmm. Yeah. Shakrosan, sir. It's your turn. No, why? Okay. Jagesari.
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
Open your camera, beta.
yes, sir.
Hmm. Hmm. Good. Are you ready?
Sir, 1 minute.
Okay. I can wait. 1 minute. Hmm. It is your first time, so don't be hesitate. Okay. I'll tell you after that in this questions answer. Okay. You can say that
Yes,
it is your training one types of. Okay. Because I don't tell you that what do you have to give answer. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So your first question is that tell me something about yourself.
yes,
It is
sir.
famous question.
I self Jagiswari Lodi. Uh,
Hmm.
I am a student of college for degree college.
Hmm.
Father name is Mr. Devas Singh Lodi and my mother
Hmm.
name is Parvati Singh Lodi. My father is honest person in
Hmm.
the world, according to me. My
Okay.
mother, my mother is homemaker. She is very strong woman,
Hmm.
according to me.
Hmm.
There are 8 members in my family.
Hmm.
I pass class 12th from government school, Saipur.
Hmm.
I passed the 11th, 12th, 10th, 9th class
Hmm.
first division in government
Hmm.
school. I
Hmm.
class 12th percentage 94.5 and class 11th percentage 95.6 from government school.
Hmm.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. What is your greatest strength?
My greatest strength are very then my family and my self confidence, my regular practice, and my uh, behavior and my good think. My family is support me. My father is my greatest strength.
Okay. What motivates you?
I motivate uh, for Shashti Deshmukh because she is IAS officer of
Hmm.
India.
Okay. Okay. What is your dream job?
Uh, my dream job because I help poor person and
Hmm.
I
What is your dream job? Listen properly.
yes I want to be IAS officer.
Hmm.
It's my dream because I help a poor person and I help our state, district, and our country.
Okay. Okay. What is your weakness?
My weakness is my emotional behavior
Okay.
and my
Okay.
yes.
Okay. What are your salary expectations?
Yes, sir. I expectation salary uh, as much as I do work
Hmm.
and my salary depended my job and my hard work
Hmm.
for job. My job that what as what as I do
Hmm.
job.
Okay.
I
Good.
accept I acceptation salary minimum 1 lakh rupees because I want to be IS officer.
Okay. How much would you like to give time
I
in this
would
job?
I would like to give many time because I help of our country.
Okay. Suppose I give you 1 lakh rupees. So what will you do of this money?
I do mm, one I do for my money. I help a poor person and I help poor children and I open greatest school of India.
Okay. Good. Thank you. Yeah. Good. Mr. Sakir Hussain. Now it's your turn. You will have to take part. Okay. Okay. If you will not take, so what will happen? Nothing. Okay. You can do it. Boost your confidence. Okay. Don't compare. Don't compare to the other student what which type they are speaking. Okay. You have to show yourself. Understand?
No problem, sir. Tell me
Yeah.
you first.
Okay. So my
Yeah.
first question is just tell me something about yourself.
Hello.
Hmm.
My name is Samir Khan. Okay. Hello.
Yes. Yeah. You are
Yes,
audible.
sir. My name is Samir Khan, and I from Ujjain. I am graduate in Ujjain College, Fusion College in Ujjain. and I have 1 year experience in Delhi Reliance company, and after that I have 2 year experience, 2 year experience tele accounted.
Yeah, good.
Yes,
What is your greatest strength?
sir. Great extent. Uh, my greatest strength is my family,
Okay.
and and I have good team in my greatest strength.
Okay. Okay. What motivates you?
Uh, what motivates you?
Yeah. Suppose because uh, everybody feel motivate when they give interview in their life. So
Yeah,
what motivate you? Okay.
yeah, sir. Uh,
Yeah, you can say that. What is your inspiration?
oh, yeah,
Like you.
you're
Yeah.
right. Okay, sir. I'm motivated to. I'm always daily learn skills. In I'm motivated.
Okay.
I am daily hard working. I'm motivated.
I did hard work.
I did hard work in my motivated.
Okay.
I am daily new challenges. My I'm motivated. I'm motivated. New idea. New ideas. I'm motivated.
Okay. Uh, why do you want to do this job?
Dream job, sir.
No. Why do you want to do this job? Why do you want to
अच्छा
have this job? This job.
तुम इस कंपनी में काम करना चाहते हो या सर
Hmm.
दिस इज योर कंपनी इज वेरी बिग कंपनी सो आई वांट टू यूज जॉब योर ऑलरेडी योर कंपनी माय फ्रेंड यू जॉब आई वांट टू योर जॉब
Okay. What is your dream job?
आई हैव नॉट ड्रीम जॉब बट माय ड्रीम जॉब इज आई एम बिग बिजनेसमैन
Okay. Yeah. So, what is your salary expectation from this job?
ओह माय सैलरी पैकेज इज 5 lakhs समथिंग
Okay. Thank you.
ओके सर थैंक यू सर
Yeah. Yeah. Sweta, would you like to initiate? Hello. Hello, Sweta.
Sir,
Would you like to initiate?
no, sir.
Okay. We will try later. Okay. Yeah. Thank you very much. सबने अच्छा किया. I think. My expectation से बहुत बहुत अच्छा किया. I think.
ये साकिर भाई का सोचा तो साकिर भाई की सैलरी 5 लाख से ऊपर मांगेंगे बोलेंगे
Sorry.